that the burial of a COVID-19 disease victim in Siaya County has raised some concerns. This is an issue that we are currently addressing together with the county government of Siaya in line with public health and sensitivity to the dead are concerned. However, I want to inform the country that moving forward, there will be challenges. I want to say in an honest term as I can, and be brutally honest, that our cultural practices on how we dispose the bodies of our loved ones may not be practical in an extreme situation. I therefore want our people to be mentally prepared and to accept that COVID-19 victim bodies shall be disposed in a manner that protects the living from infections and in accordance with the Ministry of Health burial protocols. In addition to that, I would like, on a separate matter, to send in an increased appeal to our employers and to ask them to treat their employees in a humane manner. We have situations, for example, where employees have been sent home on unpaid leave. I appeal to the employers, even if you cannot be able to pay the full salaries that people earn, please consider supporting at least for minimum requirements of the household. Consider supporting your employees so that at least they can be able to put a meal on the table. I also appeal to those people, for instance, in fraternities that hire people on a temporary basis. For example, the golfers who employ thousands of caddies. I implore you to think about the caddies even when they are at home. Consider, and I know some people are already doing this, some golf clubs and other institutions are already doing this. But I implore you to kindly consider, once again, putting a little money in their pockets via WhatsApp, not via WhatsApp, via M-Pesa, and other avenues that you can, to put a little basic money, just for basic foods, on their tables.